meditation together so that we can really come to be present, that we can be really open to whatever unfolds, preferred or unpreferred or whatever. Just have a quiet moment, integrating. I think we have a whole range of people. We are on the same human journey. So whatever way, see if you can integrate using a breath, body, emotions, feeling, energy. We all share. So posture is always nice to begin with. But for a few moments, see if we don't need to do anything. See if we can just be witnessing, as if you are sitting on the bank of your favorite lake or river, on top of the mountain hills, just quietly witnessing the surface of the lake start to little bit subside or calm down just after the motorboat passed by. Not try to make it quiet. You just find the quiet or stillness which holds this movement or commotions. You are sitting on top of your favorite hill. Imagine 360-degree panoramic view, wide open, like your awareness. Relax into that. Surrender to something beyond this small island of self. A little bird pass by, birds of emotions or sensations. Clouds may float, the clouds of feeling, whatever might be. Allow them to appear and allow them to subside back to open awareness. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Rest with open, vast, boundless, sky-like awareness. In fact, rest as awareness. No separation, no journey between you and the vast space of awareness. While you are resting in that, or resting as that, just notice gentle wind or movement of the air touches against your skin, touch your heart, compassionate expression of this emptiness of sky. Then feel into this interconnectedness. You are breathing this air that you share with billions and billions of people or being, creatures. If you like, you can start imagining as you breathe in, your body expand, right? And connect. Perhaps people or being around you, your family members, partner, children, or parents. So using your breath to connect to the pains, or struggles, or agony, unhappiness, suffering they are facing. So as if ripples of lake going out, see if we can start connecting their suffering. Then your reaction to that, how you feel, how your heart quivers, longing for help, longing for alleviating their suffering. I want you to connect this innate feeling. Everybody has, no matter how messed up you feel, everybody innate, how evil you might feel about yourself. See if we can connect this. May you be free from suffering. May you be free from the cause of suffering. May you be happy. May you find happiness and joy in your life. See, as you breathe in, breathe out, see if you can start expanding, connecting, starting from here, just right here. It might be difficult in the West, but to connect your own suffering, your own pain, physical, emotional, psychological, connect in whatever way. get in touch with this human condition we share. Start from here. Then slowly expanding. Your family, people living in your own continent, countries, we all share this condition, human condition called suffering and happiness. Everybody wants happiness. Everybody doesn't want suffering. So this is called love and compassion by definition. This deep, intense longing for alleviating, driving away the suffering of all beings. That is called compassion. And this unstoppable longing for happiness for all beings, it is called love. So currently very limited might be. Love and compassion are innate, but we can cultivate, we can expand beyond the limit of this small idea of me and others. So I think today we are here to think about, is that possible? If so, how can I do that? What's practice? And what's the challenge? What's blocking me to be fully open? All these masters have done that. Buddha did it, then found the eternal happiness. Then how come we are still here? So that's sort of inquiries I want to invite ourselves to dive into today's special event called Bodhicitta Day. So just before we conclude this short meditation, set that today's intention. May today's practice, today's learning, today's discussion, today's experience benefit me to be a, you can say, servant of happiness of all beings, not only my family members, not only the people who are living on this side of the continent, enemies, friends, strangers, seen, unseen, all of them. We are sharing this air, for example, completely interconnected, depending on each other. So there's no logic to separate out. My happiness is more important than others. The happiness of my family is more important than the happiness of others. In fact, that is the source of suffering. Buddha said, as well as Shantideva. Today we're going to go into Shantideva's amazing literature. But all happiness comes from wishing others well. All sufferings coming from caring for oneself. In other words, self-centeredness. Happiness comes from caring or cherishing others most. And the struggles and sufferings, agony, pain, anxiety, everything, all these negative events come from caring for oneself alone. So this is the premise of actually happiness. The art of happiness, His Holiness calls. So we can dive into today's discussion. Might need a little bit of a shift in our attitude and perspective because we are operated by the habitual patterns and doing the same things, same old. Don't you think we get tired of this? We try to become happy or try to make somebody else happy, then turned out disappointment. Why is that? And so forth. So we set the motivation right to help us to really become, you can say, ambassador. I like this word, ambassador of immense and benevolence presence in the world of suffering.